Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bonk. On the daily time frame chart, the price of Bonk is completely in the downtrend and forming lower lows and lower highs and also getting rejected by this quite long-term downtrend and resistance as well. And now recently the price has dropped down here at this very long-term support of 0.0000 and 0.5 times 0.933 dollar. That was previously working as a support here and support here. And now again, it worked as a very nice support. And the price line is bounced very well from the support. And now it is trying to break out this very long-term resistance of 1212.00004 times 0.1212 dollar. That was recently working as support here. And before that, previously it was working as support here and resistance here as well. In case of another rejection, there can be a potential double bottom pattern formation here. This can be the first bottom, and if the price will be rejected by this resistance again, then we may see a formation of the double bottom. So far, the price end is not completely rejected, so it is still possible that we may break out this resistance, and after that, it can hit this very long term and key resistance zone that starts from 1416 and goes to 1506. That was previously breaking a support here, and support here for stable days. And now again, it can work as a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of February 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Pendo, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this trade setup, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this trade setup I shared on 8th of Feb 2025, and here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Bonk. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days, the price line is getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance. And by the way, previously we broke out this very long-term downtrend and resistance. That was in fact the resistance of a big symmetrical triangle. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but the price line for a while also broke out this long-term resistance zone as well. That was, by the way, starting from 40 and goes to 0.000044 dollar, but again broke it down and found this downtrend and resistance. And now we have also broken out this very long-term uptrend and support as well. That is now acting as a resistance. You can see that after the breakdown, the price line got rejected by this uptrend line as a resistance and dropped down here. And now, after getting bounced on this long-term support of 933, it is trying to break out the next resistance of 1212. And in case of breaking it out, it can read the next resistance on that starts from 1416 and goes to 1506. And if the price then breaks it out, then first we will need to break out this downtrend line resistance, and then it can try to break out this uptrend line resistance as well. And I'm expecting that as soon as the price then breaks out this uptrend line, long-term uptrend line resistance, then soon we may see another attempt to break out this long-term resistance on that starts from 40 and goes to 0.000044 dollar. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.